Good morning, students. It's time for English. As we have learned so many word families now, so let's learn two more word families. Am word families and add word family. Okay, come.
Open the page number 18 of your English book. Today we will read these sound words. These are am family words and these are add family words. First we will take am family words. This is, which picture is this? Dam. Am, dam. This is jam. Am, jam. This is ram. Am, ram. This is yam. Am, yam. Now add family words. Add bad. Add lad. Add mad. Add pad. Add sad. Let's do these words in notebook and trace, read and color also. Sam loves dad.
Let's write. Here we will write am family words and here we will write add family words. First, am, dam. Am, jam. Am, ram. Am, yam. Am, Sam. Now add family words. Add bad. Add lad. Mad. Add pad. Add sad. Now learn word family after doing in notebook. We will meet with a new topic in our next class. Till then, stay healthy, keep learning. Bye.